Welcome to the Big Breed Show. I'm your host, Mr. Big Breed's coming to you live from reservations somewhere, coming to you on this Friday night. I hope everybody's having an awesome night out there. Gonna start it off with APE coming at 667, getting some moves to the upside. Looks like it's getting a bit of resistance there. Are we setting up in this scenario here? Could be a possibility. I got people calling for a higher price action. Still got people calling for that lower price action. It's definitely out there. I'm still out here lurking for that lower price action, but we got a lot of stuff going on in the market today, so we definitely got to keep an eye on that. We got China trying to talk about Taiwan now. Just when we start getting this little bit of rally, so could we call it a bear market rally? That's a good possibility. That's what we're dealing with at this point, but hope everybody made some money out there. So we got 667 for APE. As far as getting some bullish action to the upside, we definitely gotta get back over that 733, start making our moves up towards that 938 for some decent recovery and moves to the upside, and definitely start making it towards that $20. That would be the awesome, amazing bullish scenario, with BTC market being a little weird out there. Could possibly get some sideways action till the market starts making some movement to the upside. People are still buying. People are still making those moves to the upside. I'm definitely out here lurking for that serious bull trap. Could that be what's setting up right now? We got a lot of talk about inflation. We got a little package inflation plan that might be set into place that might get things going. It's definitely exciting to see where we're going into the next few weeks. As soon as we start getting the rally up to the upside, all of a sudden we got China stepping in saying, hey, you guys are playing with fire over there. So it's definitely, I definitely looked at that as something that's definitely possibly going to affect the market. We got aircraft carrier fleet setting over there. It's kind of some serious talk right there. So one thing to think of again. So I'm out here looking for that lower price action. But if we do start seeing some moves to the upside, that would be definitely some amazing bullish action. Definitely excited to see where we're going with APE. So keep an eye on that price action. Keep an eye on BTC and keep an eye on that news. We'll do a follow-up video tomorrow and see where we're at. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only. And you always do what's right for you. We had a lot of stuff moving around today. I think I saw Yfii moving up again. 1061, getting some love out there. Made some moves to the upside. Definitely made it down to around that $4 mark, and then here we are making some moves up towards that 1055. A lot of stuff getting that short squeeze, got that air interest, made it over that 887. It's going to hold that support. Definitely excited to see where we're going with that price action. We got BLZ back over 10 cents, getting a little bit of still, we've been just crabbing along on some decent support here, and are we going to see some lower price action? I've been definitely out here this 0.0422, as you can tell, since way back here. So definitely out here lurking for that low priced accumulation. Would love some more of that accumulation across the board. We got AMP at 008 and U at 19, keeps at 18. Getting a little bit of love out there on those projects there. We get OGN at 21 cents. Let's get AVT at $1.57. Yfii 2086. Taking a look at this price action, looks like it's trying to make some moves to the upside. Hasn't quite made it over that 23.39. As you can tell, we made it up to that point. Got that pull back down to this lower price action. So it's playing out just pretty much where we might be seeing where it's headed to right here. That was a scenario that we were talking about here, making it up to that point and then pulling back. So we're at that scenario now. So we're definitely going to see where if this Yfii starts pulling back down towards this 857, especially if we get that BTC move down to some lower price action. But if we can get back through that 23.39, definitely starts looking bullish to me. But at this point, with all the news that's basically out there, we got talks of COVID still again. That's a little bit breaking up there. We got monkeypox. We got China trying to get into the scenario here. We got Russia, Ukraine still going at it. So price action could be definitely heading to some lower prices. We got costs going up just about everywhere. Industries just now feeling the first costs of it, and a lot of businesses are starting to get those layoffs going. We got a lot of layoffs starting to happen out there in the world. People are going to start selling to get keep those bills paid. So definitely some stuff to think about right there. So keep an eye on this market. We got MONA coming at 996. 786. I'm definitely out here lurking for that, $400 mark. If we do start getting that dippy action, definitely could be wishful thinking, but I'm definitely out here looking for that 493. I got the coffee made, I got the alarm clock set, and we get that capitulation. I'm definitely ready to buy at that 493 area for some accumulation on MONA. But Yfii at 2088. Money was made on this project right here, sitting at $1,000. Quick double up in that price action right there. So, definitely amazing to see that. We got AVT at $1.57, still holding above that 786 at $1.30. So it's been holding that price action for quite some time, even after we put this bear flag up here. So if we, definitely lose that price action there, could possibly start seeing. I'm out here looking for that 58 cents. Am I going to get that price action? That just remains to be seen. Could definitely be wishful thinking at this point, but I'm definitely out here looking for it for that ultimate Bart Simpson move, capitulation down to the downside. That would be definitely the awesomest scenario on my part, because Mr. Big Braids loves that sales price action. So, but as far as making some moves to the upside, we definitely gotta get over that 203, make some moves up towards that $4, and start getting that breakout action to the upside. So that would be the awesome, amazing bullish scenario. Could possibly just get some sideways action until the market starts making some moves to the upside. So keep an eye on that price action, keep an eye on BTC. We'll do some follow-up videos tomorrow and see where we're at. See what else we got out here. We got NCT coming in at under 2 cents again. Scale coming in just under 6. It's getting a little bit of love out there. Still got that sideways action. Got that little bit of creepy crawly to the downside. Let's see, we got IOTX coming at just over 4 cents. Same scenario, sideways action there. MLM was making some moves got up to 28.05. Let's see, we got Jasmy. Jasmy's been holding that double O digits, just holding steady, just lurking, waiting for BTC to make that move to the upside. So definitely a lot of people just waiting on BTC. Everybody's waiting on BTC. Everybody's waiting to see what's happening with this new price actions and play all these interest rate hikes. What's it going to do to the market? Everybody's kind of here and there. People are getting sucked into that high price action, but at this point, it's on this, it's decent price action across the board. But you always got to remember that this is not financial advice, and reviews and opinions on the market only, and you always do what's right for you. But price action across the board has been amazing. Accumulation across the board has been fantastic, and if we can get that low price action, I'm definitely ready to buy at that low price action. So I'm definitely out here lurking. So keep an eye on that price action. We got ALCX making some moves up to 37.53. A little bit of love out there, getting some moves to the upside. We made it just over that area of interest that we were talking about in the last few videos. We're actually over that 786. Looks like it could possibly be making some moves up to the upside. We definitely got to get over that 618 at 43.13 and start making some moves to the upside. It looks like it tried to make some moves up to the upside, had a little bit of pullback. So if we start making some moves over that 43.13, make way over that 68.55, that would be definitely some awesome, amazing bullish action and decent recovery to the upside, and definitely come out of that breakout trend. But we definitely got to keep an eye out for those bull traps as well. At this point, could it be just a bear market rally? You definitely got to keep that in mind. We got a lot of stuff that's affecting the market. I know everybody's got that, moon boys got a type of setup. Everybody's saying we're going to the moon. Good possibility. This is crypto. Crypto does what it wants, but you always got to remember this is not financial advice. It's our views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. But I'm definitely out here looking for that low price action, being leery, but regardless, buckled up and ready to go. But I'm ready to buy at that low price action as well. So loving accumulation across the board. Keep an eye on the price action on ALCX. We'll follow up video tomorrow and see where we're at. LCX been just holding that price action at just above 6 cents, been holding above that 618. Tried to make some movement to the upside. BTC Gravity came in and just pulled us on back down there. So I got that 10 cents on as far as area of interest and bullish move to the upside. Got my eyes on that. We tried to make it over that area before. We couldn't quite do it. Had some consolidation back down to that 618, came back down, tested that support at the 786, and here we are at 0.0624. So as far as making some bullish action to the upside, we definitely get back over that 0.1007, start making some move to the upside. Keeping on that price action, keeping on BTC. We'll do some follow-up videos tomorrow and see where we're at. Mono looks like it's getting a little bit of love here, coming at $2, getting a little bit of that, made it up above that area of interest, could possibly, if it gets some support there, could possibly start seeing some movement to the upside. But if we do lose that support, definitely going to see some consolidation down to that 76, and then we definitely got to keep an eye on that price action at 83 cents. Could possibly just see some sideways action until the market starts making some movement to the upside. So definitely excited to see where we're going with that. We got NKN just under 11 cents as well, getting a little bit of love there. So definitely keeping an eye on all the price action across the board. So, just want to do a quick run through on this Friday night. I hope everybody's having an awesome Friday night out there. And we'll be back tomorrow for a follow-up update, see where we're going through the weekend. So everybody have an awesome night. Stay safe out there. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. It's reviews and opinions on the market only. And you always got to do what's right for you. So you always have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night. Mr. Big Braids is signing now.